Okay, let's dive into Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, or upward facing dog. Also, it's referred to a lot of times as just up dog. All right, so this pose, a lot of people I find start doing this pose way before they should be doing it. And there's a few things that you need to look for to see if you're actually ready for this pose. If not, then you're gonna have to just let your ego go out of the way and then go back to your cobra pose so that you can really work on getting the benefits that you need to find all of the benefits in this pose. All right, and also it'll keep you safe as well and help you to progress in your practice more quickly, as I've said before. All right, so let me show you. For this one, to come into it, a lot of times it's from chaturanga, but we're just gonna come into it from the ground, setting up the foundation of the feet. So again, only the tops of the feet are gonna be touching in this pose. I will turn the heels out just slightly and the toes slightly, and not a lot, just enough to feel a little bit of that broadening in the sacrum. From there, the hands again will be on either side of the chest, just like we did in Cobra. Navel towards the spine, then drawing the chest forward and up. You'll straighten the arms, push into the hands, into the knuckles on the palms of the hands, and then think about drawing the chest forward, shoulders back. Okay, now if you can notice, only the tops of my feet are touching, not the legs. Now, those key points that you're really focusing on is that the belly button can be in between the forearms and that the chest can be forward and the shoulders back. Pull the chin back just slightly to bring it into neutral, and think about really reaching the back of the crown of the head up towards the sky to bring length into the spine. If you feel compression in the low back, draw the navel towards the spine, pointing your tailbone down. Okay, and then you can lower down and take a break. Crocodile pose if that feels okay. All right, so moving into this pose again, I'm gonna show you some common things that people might do and you'll know that you're not ready for this pose. Okay, so if the spine is not able to be kind of sucked into the back, like mine here, it's kind of popping out, that's a sign. Another sign is when the belly button is not in between the forearms. So again, drawing the pelvis forward so you can bring the belly button in between the forearms, pushing into the hands, finding length by reaching through the back of the crown of the head, chest forward, shoulders back. And of course, if you can't breathe or smile here, you've probably gone too far. All right, now another way that you could modify this pose is to have a blanket, or maybe better yet, a bolster. Just depends on the side of the bolster. And then that'll go right under the quads, the top of the quads. So coming onto there, and then this helps you to really feel kind of weightless. It helps you to feel light. And you can really work into this pose here. Breathing, going over the form, it makes it a little bit easier. It makes it pretty comfortable, I think. So that's a good way to practice it. And then whenever you're ready, of course, you can just take that blanket away. So the key thing with this pose is don't force your body to go into it if it's really not ready for it, because I don't want you to get hurt. I want you to be safe. So be honest with yourself. Should you be doing Cobra pose? If so, just keep doing Cobra pose. You'll get to upward facing dog if and when it's meant to be. All right, I'll see you in the next video.